Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Perhaps you already forget about UMIDIGI Z2. However, in coming days, the Chinese brand will officially release the Pro version of its smartphone. New device comes with Helio P23 chipset, a 128 gigs of storage, wireless charging support, and NFC. However, the design, cameras, and software are the same as regular model. Today we have unboxing and first review of UMIDIGI Z2. We will try to find out its advantages and disadvantages and answer the question, should you buy UMIDIGI Z2 or it is better to get UMIDIGI Z2 Pro? Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The smartphone comes in black box. The front side has brand logo, while on the back there is specifications list. You can read about processor, RAM, storage, cameras, network, etc. Also here you can read about package content. Let's check it out. When you open the box, you see the smartphone in protective case. It is textured matte case of black color. It looks and feels very durable, unlike many other budget phones with silicone transparent cases. Also inside the box there is user manual and SIM needle, USB Type-C cable, power adapter, and an adapter from USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. As you understand, UMIDIGI Z2 doesn't have 3.5mm audio jack, so there is an adapter in the package if you want to listen to music or connect external speaker. In general, the package is standard, but I'm impressed by protective case. Yes, many Chinese phones come with cases in the package, but they are not as good as UMIDIGI Z2. The smartphone comes with a factory film, so let's remove it. The first thing we want to talk about is a notch above the display. Today it is not a unique feature, because every second device has a notch. It hides dual front camera, earpiece, light and proximity sensors. There is no notification LED, and it is a big disadvantage for many people. UMIDIGI Z2 comes with 6.2-inch display. It occupies about 85% of front panel. There are bezels on sides and bottom, but they are quite small. By the way, the display has rounded corners thanks to 2.5D glass and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. On the rear panel there is another dual camera, LED flash and fingerprint reader. The back panel is made of glass and has rounded shape. The frame is made of metal. It is really nice to touch and hold in one hand. In general, the build quality is amazing, especially for $250 phone. As for the side faces, there is SIM card slot on the left, volume rocker and power button on the right. On the bottom you can see USB Type-C port and two speaker grills, while on top there is only small microphone hole. So UMIDIGI Z2 doesn't have 3.5mm audio jack and IR blaster. I don't know, it is a big problem for you, but I listen to music through Bluetooth headphones, so I don't really need audio jack. What about you? Write in comments below. Do you still need 3.5mm audio jack? Now let's look at display. UMIDIGI Z2 comes with 6.2-inch diagonal Full HD Plus resolution, 2446 by 1080 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. The pixel density is 403 ppi, which is very good. This is IPS panel, however, it provides pretty good color reproduction and contrast. The viewing angles are excellent, while the brightness is enough for using outdoors. Here you can see the maximum and minimum brightness. Definitely, UMIDIGI Z2 has good display for its price. Of course, AMOLED will be better, but IPS is still good, especially for $250 phone. UMIDIGI Z2 is powered by Helio P23 chipset. This is one of the main differences from Z2 Pro, because Pro version has more powerful Helio P23 processor. So if you are going to play latest Android games, then it is better to buy Pro version. However, Z2 is still good for gaming on low or medium graphics. Both models have 6 gigs of RAM, but Pro version comes with 128 gigs of storage, while Z2 has 64 gigs. I'm not sure that you will need 128 gigs, because there is microSD support up to 256 gigs. Later, we will make detailed performance test with gaming. In this video I want to show you Antutu and Geekbench 4. Here you can see 84,652 points in Antutu and 785 points in single-core test and 3618 points in multi-core test of Geekbench 4. The video with full performance test will be in description. UMIDIGI Z2 runs on latest Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. It looks like stock Android system. There are Google services such as Play Store, YouTube, Maps and others. The good thing that there are no Chinese print-style apps. The functions and options are the same as other Android phones, but we want to talk about Notch. It is pretty big, so there is only time on the left side and some icons on the right, such as Wi-Fi, mobile network and battery. The main problem that you cannot see the battery percent. For that you need to swipe down, and here is battery percent. This is not a big problem, but a bit uncomfortable. UMIDIGI Z2 has 16 megapixel main sensor and 8 megapixel secondary on the back and front panels. However, the rear camera has Samsung sensor, while front camera uses Sony IMX 371 sensor. Both of them have f2.0 aperture. As you understand, front and rear cameras have portrait modes. We have no time to make real sample photos, so we will make another video with detailed camera test of UMIDIGI Z2. We will talk about camera app, main features and look at sample photos and videos. The phone is equipped with 3850 mAh battery. It supports fast charging technology of 18 Watt. The back panel is glass, but the phone doesn't have wireless charging. If it is important for you, then you should buy UMIDIGI Z2 Pro because it supports wireless charging. Given the screen, chipset and latest Android version, we can count on 1 day of battery life. Of course, it will depend on usage. For example, my phone works about 8 hours with active using, such as playing games, running benchmarks, watching videos, etc. Once again, we will make battery test of UMIDIGI Z2 in the next video. We will fully drain the battery and then charge it to find out how much time does it take. UMIDIGI Z2 supports global LTE bands. You can use this phone worldwide, both in America, Europe, Asia, Africa or Australia. The smartphone supports dual SIM and both of them are compatible with 4G. Also, there is GPS and GLONASS, 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2. By the way, do you need NFC? If yes, then you should buy UMIDIGI Z2 Pro, because regular version doesn't have it. The phone has dual speaker grill on the bottom, but one of them is used as microphone. The sound is quite loud, but not high quality. Also, there is 3.5mm audio jack, so you will need an adapter from USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack or Bluetooth headphones. So it was unboxing and first review of UMIDIGI Z2. In coming days we will make detailed tests of performance, battery and camera. You can find them by the links in the description. UMIDIGI Z2 is a very good smartphone for $250. It has high build quality, premium design, excellent display, stock Android system and support global LTE bands. However, if you want more powerful device, then you should buy UMIDIGI Z2 Pro. It has Helio P23 chipset, NFC and wireless charging. Thanks for watching. You can find links where to buy UMIDIGI Z2 and Z2 Pro in the description under this video. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.